Here we've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark II, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now you have to locate and open sound, and let me just volume up ringtones, and then just select a ringtone. And here you've got all the options, so let me present you all of the sounds that you can apply, starting with air. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply, tap on OK, and that's it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change ringtone in your Sony. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.